Hey guys, it's Crafting with Kids, and I want to show you how to make this fun, glossy slime. The first thing you're going to do is grab some borax and 2 cups of warm water and put a teaspoon of borax in with that warm water. Mix it until it is dissolved, and then once it's blended, you're just going to set that aside. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to use some clear glue. You're going to pour your clear glue, a half a cup of clear glue, into a separate container. Make sure to get all that clear glue in there. Then you're going to put a 1/4 cup of water in there. And then grab the baby oil, and you could put a few drops of this. I think I did 4 drops, but that's entirely up to you. Now you're going to mix it all together. Make sure to mix it well, but try to minimize the air bubbles. Okay, so once you've mixed that well, next you're going to grab that borax solution. Now, 1 teaspoon at a time, add the borax solution. And once you pour 1 teaspoon, mix it well, maybe even let it sit for a few seconds, and then add another teaspoon. I believe I ended up adding 6 teaspoons of the borax mixture to get it to look like this. Now, it was super sticky when it looked like this, so I did add just a little bit of baking soda. It is great about removing the stickiness, and a little bit goes a long way. I think I used maybe a half a teaspoon, so a little bit goes a long way. So next thing you want to do is add some food coloring if you choose to do so. Now, some people do this before they put the borax mixture in there. I wanted to go ahead and do this now. You can see how the color is coming together and it's not as sticky anymore. This is after I let it sit in the container about 30 minutes. Guys, look at how stretchy and how glossy that is. We did add some glitter to it, and y'all, this is before the glitter and this is after the glitter. Y'all, this is such an awesome recipe. I love the look of this slime. It's that glossy slime. It's stretchy. It's also squishy, so it's like 3 awesome different textures in one. Thanks for watching, guys.